back to Amrutha's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a dessert. It's called mango pudding. It's one of the most popular dessert, easy to make and very yummy to eat. It takes only 30 minutes to make and it feeds 10 to 15 people. The first one is the Knox gelatin powder. You just need 3 packets of Knox gelatin powder. The packets looks this size and you can get it anywhere, any store. So you need 3 Knox gelatin powder and sour cream, full fat sour cream, 8 ounces we need it, and 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 can of mango pulp. Mango pulp you can get it anywhere, Walmart, Target, or in Canada Superstore or Indian stores, and 8 ounces of sugar. 3 cups of water, 250 ml cup. Add 2.5 cups of water and leave it for boiling under medium flame. You mix 3 Knox gelatin powder in half cup of water, cold water, half cup. I'm putting these 3 packets, and you have to put this one into the boiling water. 3 cups of 3 packets of gelatin powder and mix it with the spoon. You mix it until all the powder is mixed in the water. See, now the powder is mixed in this cold water. This one we are going to transfer into the boiling water. The whole thing. If this sticks to the cup, you just put that boiling water and put it back into the water. Now we have to add 8 ounces of sugar for this. Now I'm going to add 8 ounces of sugar into this boiling water where it has the gelatin mixed to, and you have to boil the water until the sugar melts in the medium flame. So I'm just stirring for 1 minute. This is the medium flame. Now I'm adding a cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese into a bowl where we are going to beat with the sour cream and mango pulp. I added a cream cheese. Now I'm going to add 8 ounces of sour cream. Any sour cream okay. If you like to use light one, you can use it, but I'm using the fat one. Any brand is also okay. There's no certain brand you have to use. See, I'm using 8 ounces of sour cream. Now I'm going to use a hand blender to blend these two so that it will be smooth and soft. Any hand blender you can use. I'm using this one, this kind. See? So you can hand blend it. That's simple. Now you can see the sour cream and cream cheese got mixed so well. Now I'm adding mango pulp to this one, and I'm going to blend it until you see the bubbles. Now look at the mango pulp, sour cream and cream cheese got mixed so well. You can see the bubbles and the gelatin got mixed so well. Now you can turn off the stove and leave the water until it comes to the room temperature. I'm adding the water which has the gelatin powder and the sugar syrup. It came to room temperature. I'm going to mix the rest of the mix. And I'm going to mix it again with a hand blender. See, you can see the bubbles. Now the mixture is mixed well. Now I'm going to cover it with saline wrap and leave it in the refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours. After that, you can have the mango pudding ready. After 7 hours keeping in the fridge, the mix, mango pudding looks like this, and it's ready to eat. Look at how it jiggles. I'm going to take an ice cream scooper. Look at the texture and so this is how the mango pudding looks. If you want more firmer, you can leave it overnight or a few more hours. Otherwise, you can have like this after 7 hours. You can eat with the whipping cream or fruits, whatever you like to put the toppings, you can. Thank you for watching Amrutha's Kitchen again. I hope you will enjoy this recipe because it's easy and simple. Give your comments below. Thank you. Mwah.